this is the box that it comes in. Gives you a pretty good illustration of what it looks like after it's put up. It also comes with this little amplifier here, your power insert is what they call it. There's the model right there, Amplified Outdoor HD TV Antenna. There's the model number. And on the back here it shows you the mounting instructions. It comes with all the hardware. It even comes with coax cable. Okay, so there's a lot going on out here. Motorcycles, fire trucks, and everything. I hope you can hear me okay. But this is my old antenna. This is a Winnguard. It's been a good antenna. It's amplified, and it stopped working. It didn't completely stop working, but what happened was the picture would get all pixelated, and channel by channel the channels just started getting worse and worse. So I didn't know if it was the antenna or the amplifier. I already changed the amplifier once, so I'm thinking it's the antenna. So now this antenna here, back in the day when I did flea markets and stuff, I sold a lot of these, but it was only just the one piece right here. It wasn't the whole double setup there. And it's a little bit more expensive. And I'll show you some other pictures of some other antennas too, but I had good results with those, and so I just decided to go ahead and spend 50, 60 bucks, whatever it was, and get this one. And now I'm back to getting, I think it's 88 channels local here in Orlando. 88 channels from an antenna. And works pretty daggone good. And it's easy to put together. It just folds out here, and you tighten that down. And then you put it to the post over here, right here. And then you screw the coax cable in right here, and you're pretty much done. So that is a good antenna. So yeah, I would recommend this antenna. It works good. I'll put a link below the video for where I bought it at Amazon. And you guys can order one and put it up and see how many channels you get in your area. But paying 50, 60 bucks for an antenna sure beats paying $100 to $200 a month just to watch local channels. So you guys have a great day. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll have another video for you soon. You guys have a fantastic day.